Hello guys, it's Adam, and I have for you an unboxing of the SwitchPod. This is a new, unique, and minimal handheld tripod. As you can tell, it is actually made by someone I've been following for a while. Their name is Pat Flynn, and with some other people, investors, particularly people on, what's it called? Kickstarter, which this is the reason why I have it, because I was a Kickstarter. And this is a tripod that is very different from the Gorillapods, from the other tripods you're used to seeing, because it is, well, minimal. It is not so bulky as the other ones. You could actually see the comparison between the two just by the box alone. This is an SLR zoom. It's the same size as a 3K and a 5K practically. Well, 5K is a little bit more, but yeah, so honestly, this is gonna take more room, but these are kind of trying to do the same thing. The one unique feature about this is it turns into, from handheld mode, into a tripod, which we're gonna do right now. So let's get on opening this little SwitchPod. All right, so you can tell it's really, really nicely put together. Probably gonna just turn this into knife mode. So knife going right there. Let's open it up. You can tell this is some really good packaging. They've put a lot of thought into it. I know they could have gone, what's it called, cheaper putting it together, but no, they wanted to put some time into it. Okay, this is not how you do scissors, but I'm not really using it for scissors. I'm using it for knife. All right, so let's get this open. I don't know, I like doing a little, like, ooh. Can you see that? Can you hear that? Oh. That is nice. Okay, get the plastic out here and the scissors. Now they could have gone cheaper with the packaging. They could have done, you know, a little bit, but it's also kind of fitting their minimal look. It's minimal, but I guess nice. And let's open it up, and here you go. And actually, there is a special and unique version if you had gone to one of those YouTube video conferencing conventions called, I think, what was it called? Vid Summit, that's the one, and it had a special unique thing, and it had a whole writing here about the stuff. But this is the retail version, the normal version. You can see made by creators for creators, tips and tricks at SwitchPod.com, and yeah, they'll probably show you how to use it. And it comes with a very nice, they did not have to do this. It's like a velvet or not Velcro, you know, that really smooth touching, yeah, it's like velvet, and it's just foam. You could take it out. You could tell the device, I believe it was made out of aluminum. Oh, come on. Did not want to come out. It's really like safely put in there. All right. You can tell by the weight. Yeah. Is it a magnet? Wow. I think they put a magnet in the box to keep it close. So this is probably a good box to have in the future. I don't know if you want to keep it, but here it is. This is the first time I am touching it. It's cold to touch because it is a aluminum, but it has, what is it, painted over? It's pretty light. How do you do it? Oh, okay. Do I have to do something? Like, is there a lock mechanism? I was thinking that when I have it open, there would be a lock thing to keep it from, you know, closing, but I guess that's like that. So you're using it, I guess you could probably get good at doing this. Boom, camera's up, it is all ready. You could also just do it like that, down. So yeah, this is pretty nice. It has the rubber little feet. It feels good. You know, you could, I don't know, I guess there's grip right here as well to use it. And let's see. So this just spins endlessly because this is where you mount your camera onto. Okay, let's go get a camera and see how this works. Now let's try a comparison with the Joby Gorillapod. This is SLR zoom. You can tell right here, they're about the same height. They're obviously in different like materials. This is kind of a little worn, but it works great. And this is gonna be taller. Well, from this perspective, it's much taller, but see, so much more flat. This is you're gonna fit like a lot better than places. The one difference between it is this has the, you know, bendy legs, which you could wrap on stuff. Other things, it does have also, this one has a ball head and mounting system, which honestly the best bet you can do if you want to have a similar feature is get a similar ball head. It doesn't have to be this one, put on top, and you know, that'll probably fix quite a bit issues you may have with just being straight up mounting it to it. But you know, this is a lot lighter. This is probably gonna do pretty well. One thing I realized is I don't really have a camera available because, yeah, I'm using both. So let's just pretend this is a camera. This is gonna weigh, this light will actually does kind of weigh like a, some cameras. So there's quite a bit to get it down to the part. Is it what? It was rubber, okay, so it has a rubber mount. So eventually it would stop. This one, it's not going to. Oop. Lord, y'all, look at that. Didn't think it through, so this is what, okay. So obviously, your weight is mostly here, you could feel it. You could probably also do it here, if you really wanted to, but you're gonna lose the distance of, you know, using it. Honestly, with a heavier camera, I believe this is probably gonna, well, it's gonna hurt your arms because of the way you're holding it. I feel like maybe if they put like a, oh wow, again. If they put a rubber, let's see, a rubber grip, maybe around the side right here, because I mean, it's just metal on hand. It's not exactly comfortable to hold, but yeah, I wouldn't go too heavy because if you're not used to it, this kind of hurts right here. Just maybe like that, but you know, I like it. I really had to do an extensive or much better like weeks, months using this thing, but we'll see how it goes. So far, I'm liking it. Yeah, I guess if I wanted to do, I could do that. I don't know. Let's see. Get two hands. So one really good convenience is boom. There you go. You tilt it if you had a ball head, and you're good. Also, you know, it could be good for, I don't know, lights or other stuff that you need to quickly put on. But yeah, there's also, I believe, threads right in here for each of them. I'm wondering if that's maybe to mount something, and I guess, yeah. It's not bad. I feel like if they made a different revision, maybe with like some felt here, just really on the, let's see. I mean, really, this is the main one you would hold on to. Yeah, maybe just like, I don't know, felt here. But I mean, I do like that it has that. Huh. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to get a little used to. So far, it feels like it does better as a quick to use tripod. I really like the ingenuity they had of making something like this. It saves space, and you have a tripod always where you go. Look at that. If you get good at doing that, you're good. So if you were looking to buy some, link down below. Currently, it is not for sale, but when you watch this video, it should be for sale by then, because this is an early, like, not pre-release, it's the final version. I just got it early. So in the link down below, if you want to check it out or if you want to buy it, there'll be a link down below. There's probably gonna be quite a few links to check there where you can get it. But yeah, I'm liking it so far, just from feel. Just a few minor things I would add to it. Yeah, the felt here maybe, or better feeling for your hands because it's just hand on metal, and then maybe a ball head, but you could do that yourself. If you're looking for one, I could put a link down in the description for you to get a ball head. But honestly, I think with a light camera, you know, this is probably a good, like a Sony RX100 or a Canon G7X. This is probably not a bad choice, you know? Screw it in and it's all good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, this is the end of this unboxing. So if you want, you subscribe for more creative and filmmaking videos, things like this, and filmmaking tech. But yeah, I'm gonna try this guy for a while. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Where are you guys? Bye.